everybody, and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Sheena. I'm the owner and founder of Christian Creative Mental. And here on my channel, I do videos all about Christianity and mental health. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on Bible journaling, one of the verses from my Grace Bible plan. So let's go! So the verse we're going to do today is James 4:6, and it says, "But he gives more grace. Therefore it says, God oppresses the proud but gives grace to the humble." So I'm going to put on this page, God gives grace, with some pretty lettering. And because I just don't like for the backgrounds of my pages to be the natural color of the page, I'm going to start out with coloring the page with my super crayon, and it's not going to be the whole page colored, just kind of where I'm planning on doing the lettering at. And now, since I used the super crayons to make the page a little darker, I'm not going to use gesso to prep the page. I decided beforehand that I was going to use an array of different blues and grays to do this. So that's why I did the blue on the page. Now I'm actually going to start out with my pencil for the first letter that I'm writing on here, because I'm just going to write a big G. Like that. Now I'm going to take my darker blue and go over this G. Now I'm going to use my gray, and I'm gonna put on here God gives grace. This big G is going to be my primary letter to do God. I'm gonna put grace at the bottom next. And then that kind of shows me where I want to put gives in the middle. Okay, there we go, and that says God gives grace. Let me grab my black Tombow calligraphy pen. And I'm gonna write James. Four, 6. And the date, which is April 30th, 2020. And there we go, and I'm done with that page. That is all I'm gonna do. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.